I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a eSIM card with Rogers Canada can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new eSIM card, the phone you want to use, and your account details ready. This includes your phone number, if you retransferring it, and your personal identification. Step 2. Insert the eSIM card. Power off your phone and locate the eSIM card tray. Use a eSIM eject tool or a paperclip to open the tray, then insert your new eSIM card. Make sure it is seated properly before closing the tray. Step 3. Power on and connect to Wi-Fi. Turn your phone back on and connect to a Wi-Fi network. This is important for the activation process, especially if your eSIM card is new and hasn't been activated yet. Step 4. Visit the Rogers activation page. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've completed the online process, you should receive a confirmation message. Restart your phone to ensure the activation is successful. If you don't see any service, try toggling airplane mode on and off. I hope this guide helps you activate your eSIM card smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance.